One of the coolest things that Vardenchi offers you is refurbish. Now what does that mean? Your motorcycle looks old, you want it to look new, you want it to have that freshness, and that's what we offer you. Even though a local painter might be able to do a great job, sometimes your parts are old, rusted, dented, scratched, and it's difficult to make them look brand new again. Everybody thinks that upgradation or refurbish or customization is always very expensive, but that's not the case. There are ways that you can keep it in budget and still have a really cool looking motorcycle. Let me show you how it's done. The Aspire Ocean Body Kit. It's made up of really lightweight fiber reinforced plastic that's highly durable and non-corrosive. So the Ocean Aspire body kit includes the front mudguard, it includes the tank protection panel, the racing number plate, the toolboxes, the rear mudguard. The latest addition to the body kits is this nose fairing. It's designed for the Enfield Classic model and it really changes the way the motorcycle's personality is from the front end. In combination with some really cool Vardenchi exclusive parts, this becomes a really cool upgrade, refurbish and customization package.